Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. If you're watching this, you're probably eager to update your name on Instagram, maybe for a fresh start or a new personal brand. Well, you're in the right place. Today, I'm walking you through the simple steps to change your name on Instagram in 2025. Don't worry, it's quick and straightforward, even if the app has had a few updates. Let's dive right in. First things first, make sure you have the latest version of the Instagram app installed on your phone. Instagram often rolls out updates, so this ensures you're working with the most current features. Once that's sorted, open the app and log in to your account. If you're already logged in, great, just head straight to your profile. Step 1. Tap on your profile icon, which is usually in the bottom right corner of the screen. This will take you to your profile page. Next, look for the Edit Profile button. It's typically right below your bio and profile picture. Go ahead and tap that. Now, in the Edit Profile section, you'll see various fields like your username, bio, and of course, your name. Simply tap on the name field, delete the old one, and type in your new name. Keep in mind, Instagram might have some rules for 2025, like limiting how often you can change it or requiring it to follow certain guidelines, so choose wisely. Once you've entered your new name, scroll down to the bottom of the page and hit Submit or Save Changes. Instagram may prompt you to confirm the update or even verify it's you, especially if this is your first time making changes. Just follow any on-screen instructions, and you're good to go. And just like that, your name is updated. It should reflect across the app almost immediately. One quick tip. If your desired name is already taken, try adding numbers or symbols to make it unique. That's all for this tutorial. I hope this helped you out. Changing your name on Instagram has never been easier. If you enjoyed this video, smash that like button, subscribe for more tech tips, and hit the bell icon so you never miss an update. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.